doing firstly a quick revision with you. For example, assume that I have 4 bananas. You first, first listen, bolo. So I have, okay, wait. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट, ध्यान से सुनना है क्वेश्चन, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ। क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनना है, कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है। मैं आपको बोलूंगी नोटबुक निकालो, तो उसी टाइम पे नोटबुक निकालनी रहेगी। ओके, अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरे पास 4 बनाना है। आई हैव अ 4 बनानास। आई हैव 4 बनानास। मेरे पास 4 बनानास है। एंड यू हैव, और आपके पास 5 बनानास। I have 4 bananas and you have 5 bananas. How many bananas we have? तो हमारे पास टोटल कितने बनानास हुए? 9। कैसे पता चला? कैसे पता चला? ऐड किए। वेरी गुड। मतलब आपने क्या किया? Addition. Very good. Now second question, listen to me carefully. I have 9 pencils. I have 9 pencils and you have 10 pencils. I have 9 pencils and you have 10 pencils. So how many pencils we have? Reyansh, रेयांश बोलो, अनम्यूट करके बोलो। रेयांश, रेयांश, ओनली रेयांश विल बी स्पीक। रेयांश, कैसे पता चला 19? एडिशन किया। वेरी गुड। मतलब आप लोग एडिशन ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं क्लास 1 में। सबने एडिशन किया है 1 डिजिट का 1 डिजिट, which we are also doing a addition 2 digit with the 1 digit. So I am going to do a quick revision of that topic that you already learned. जो आप पहले ही सीख चुके हो, उसके लिए मैं आपको थोड़ा रिवीजन करवाने जा रही हूँ। आपको ध्यान से देखना है। उससे पहले मुझे आपको कुछ दिखाना है। I want to see you something. So what is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting the things or combining the things together is together. It is get a total. What is the meaning of addition? Addition का मतलब क्या होगा? Putting थिंग्स और कंबाइनिंग थिंग्स। जैसे मैंने बोला मेरे पास 4 बनाना है, आपके पास 5 बनाना है, तो टोटल कितने हुए? तो आपने क्या किया? दोनों बनाना को कंबाइन कर दिया एंड यू गिव मी आंसर। जो आंसर मिला उसको हम बोलेंगे टोटल। सिंबल ऑफ एडिशन क्या आएगा? प्लस। ये ऑलरेडी आप सीख चुके हो। whenever we add 2 नंबर, जब हम 2 नंबर का एडिशन करते हैं, they call the addend. They call the addend and we got a total. जो आंसर मिलेगा उसको हम टोटल बोलेंगे। Get it now? Whenever we add 2 numbers, this is the symbol of addition. Plus is the symbol of addition. Whenever we add 2 numbers with the plus sign, we are doing a addition. These 2 numbers, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने किया हुआ 8 plus 9. The 8 and 9 is called the addend. And whenever we are doing the addition of them, we got the answer that is called the total. You have to be remember, क्योंकि जब आप क्लास 3 में भी आओगे तब यही चीज़ें वापस से रिपीट होने वाली है। So compulsory you have to be remember, whenever the two numbers are added, that is called the addend, and whenever we get the answer, that is called the total. Now I am going to share a one screen to you for the quick revision. So we already do an introduction of addition. Let's do some quick revision for that. You know that we can add a one digit number with a one digit number using the question. First question is 9 plus 9, 7 plus 1, 3 plus 6. Now give me answer. First question is 18. Very good. Second, 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Very good. 3 plus 6, 9. Very good. मतलब सबके आंसर राइट है. ओके, अब just mute yourself. Listen to me everyone. You don't have to be write now anything. I will be share what should you have to be write in the notebook. मैं सब कुछ आपको लिख के भेज दूंगी, वो आपको नोटबुक में लिख देना है. अभी सिर्फ आप देखोगे. ओके, नाउ we are going to learn the methodology that you learned in the previous year for addition of one digit to two digit. First example is 23 plus 5. Okay, 23 plus 5. First step, you have, what should you have to do whenever this type of question is given to you? Arrange the numbers vertically according to the place value. There are the places: ones place, tens place, hundred place. Using the block, you can see that how can you represent the number in the vertical form. 23 means two 10 blocks and three ones block. 5 means 5 ones block. Now, how can you do the addition? Firstly, whenever you are doing the addition, first you have to be start from the ones place. You have to add 3 and 5 equals to 8 ones. Write 8 on the ones place. अगर आपको इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो आप यहाँ पे भी देख सकते हो, ब्लॉक्स में भी. You can also do with this. Then after this, you can see here there is a no one tens value on the second number in the 5. So add two tens and 0 10. If there is no values given to you, you have to be take a 0. So 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So answer is 28, and it will be represented using the blocks like this. Now second, this is example of without carryover. I am going to show you the example with carryover. You have to just look forward. After the completion of class, I will be give the homework to you, and you have to be completed in the notebook. 35 plus 7. Same process you have to be follow that you follow in the previous sum. जो आपने पहले किया 23 plus 5 में, वही करना है 35 plus 7 में. But this is the sum of with carryover. First step, arrange the numbers vertically according to the place values in the block. 35 means 3 tens block and 7 ones block. Sorry, 5 ones block. And 7 means 7 ones block. Now, what should you have to do? As we know, for the addition, we have to start from the ones place. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 equals to 12. 12, whenever you are writing 12, it means 1 10 and 2 ones. So we have to be put a carry over. You can see here, whenever we add 5 ones and 7 ones, we got 12 ones. 12 ones means 1 10 and 2 ones. So you have to be use a carry over for the 1 tens and put 2 in the place of the total of ones. Now we are doing addition. We have already a 3 tens, but we have also one carryover. So 3 tens plus 1 10 equals to 4 tens. So your answer is 42. This is the example of with carryover. This is example of with carryover. Now we are going to learn about the properties of addition. That thing already you learned in the previous class. First property of addition, when adding a zero to a number. For example, I have a 12 bananas. I have a 12 apples. In that, I am adding nothing. Means I am adding a zero. मैं कुछ भी add नहीं कर रही हूँ. Means I am adding a zero. So what will be I get? I get 12 apples as it is. So what is the property of addition? First property of addition, when 0 is added to any number, the answer is number itself. When 0 is added to any number, the answer is number itself. Second property, adding a 1. For example, I have 11 balloons and I add one balloon in the 11 balloons. So what will be I get? I will be get 12 balloons. So whenever you add 1 to any number, we can get a number that comes just after the given number. So what is the second property of addition? When 1 is added to any number, the answer is the number that comes just after to the given number. This is 11 is the given number and 12 is the just number that come after 11. You have to remember this property for all numbers. Now third and the last property of addition. For example, I have 12 beers and I am adding 3 lollipops in the beers. So I will be get total 15 numbers. I have 12 beers, in that I am adding a 3 beers, so I get total 15 numbers. But whenever I am adding in a 12 beers in the 3 lollipop, I have a 3 lollipop, in that I am adding the 12 beers, so I get the same answer. So the third property is whenever if you are changing the order का मतलब क्या होगा? Place. पहले हमने beer रखा था, फिर हमने lollipop रखे. Second time, first we are putting a lollipop and then we put a beer. But numbers are same. Whenever you change the order of number, you got a same answer. Total always remains same. If we change the order of numbers while adding, the answer remains same. This is the three property of addition. First is the adding 0, second is the adding 1, and third is the order of number in the addition. Okay, so I am request to every student that is a one task for you that you have to do with your parent. आपको आपके parents के साथ करना है. First, everyone have to be open the maths textbook and open the page number 49. There is a two activity given to you. I will be show you. Page number 49. And the 50, both thing you have to be solved with your parent with the help of your parent. I am going to show you that. So you can see here on the page number 49, there is a two activity given to you that should you have to be performed with your parent. आपको आपके पेरेंट की हेल्प लेके परफॉर्म करना है. टुडे देयर इज अ वर्क is more than the given, so you will be complete this work in the 2 or the 3 days. ऐसा नहीं आप एक ही दिन में खत्म कर दो. Okay, I'm giving you the time to complete it in the 2 or 3 days. And on the page number 50 there is a one more activity given to you. Only you have to do in the textbook. Okay, so this is the kickstart activity that you have to be performed on the page number 49 and the 50. Tomorrow I will be share an exercise 3.1 video, but you can solve it by yourself. I am suggesting you that this is only the revision of class 1. एक्सरसाइज 3.1 जो है हमारी, उसका वीडियो तो मैं आपको भेजने वाली हूँ, लेकिन ये जो है क्लास 1 पे ही डिपेंडेड है, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन पे डिपेंडेड है. तो आप क्या करोगे, आप उसको खुद से सॉल्व करने की ट्राई करोगे. रिमेंबर यू हैव टू बी सॉल्व इट बाय योरसेल्फ, बट you have to check the answer whenever I share the recorded video of it. आप खुद से सॉल्व करोगे फिर ही आप रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो देखोगे. आपको पहले खुद से इसको सॉल्व करना है, उसके बाद आपको आंसर्स चेक करने हैं वीडियो में जो मैं आपको कल भेजने वाली हूँ. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? आज मैं आपको वीडियो भेजूंगी, आपको मुझे नहीं भेजना. ओके, so you have to solve these two activities 1 and 2 on the page number 49 and the 50. 49 और 50 पे जो activity दी है kick start activity, that is totally depend on the class 1, so you have to be do it by yourself. Second thing, tomorrow there will be a one test for you. कल आपका टेस्ट भी होगा, डायगोनल टेस्ट, that is also depend on class 1 addition. मैं कल एक टेस्ट पेपर भेजने वाली हूँ, आपको उसको कंप्लीट करके फिर एक लिंक भेजूंगी, उसके ऊपर अपलोड करना है. Understood everyone? Tomorrow there will be a math test for the revision. जो हमने रिवीजन किया उसका ही टेस्ट है. So everyone have to be remember it and they have to be give the test that is depend on the class 1. I want to check the students who are learn the addition chapter in the class 1 properly. किसने क्लास 1 में अच्छे से सीखा है एडिशन वाला चैप्टर, तो आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे. जो आप क्लास 1 में ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं उसकी प्रैक्टिस आपको करनी है आज. You can do this homework tomorrow if you want to do the practice of the tomorrow's test. अगर आपको कल के टेस्ट की प्रैक्टिस करनी है तो आप ये वाला होमवर्क कर सकते हो, लेकिन आपको पहले टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ेगी. Okay, now anyone have a query? Okay, हाँ बोलो.